Hello, I am Nandini and welcome back to English Streamer. So today we are going to discuss the most important topic of Ielts, that is general line. Well, we all know that general lines are used in writing task 2 in introduction. So while writing introduction, it's very important thing to write some interesting lines that can impress the examiner. So what are those lines which we can write? So here I am providing you some lines related to education. So let's begin with the first one. Young children are buildings under construction and teachers are the builders, which means जो young children हैं वो buildings ऐसी buildings हैं जो construction के under हैं, they are improving, and teachers are the builders, teachers उनको बनाने वाले हैं, right? So you can write your sentence as it is irrefutable that young children are buildings under construction and teachers are the builders. The next line you can use in your introduction is education and technology are instruments for accelerating development in the developing countries. What kind of developing countries are there? That are India and Japan, but Japan is developed country, China, who are developing, right? So basically you can write your line as education and technology are instruments for accelerating development in developing countries. So these two, the main components to develop, right? So you can write your line in this way. If the topic is related to education and technology, or if there is a combination of education and technology, then you can use this general line, or you can use this line in your body paragraphs too. The next line, in today's competitive world, a broad knowledge is needed to succeed in any field. Well, it's a very interesting line. In today's competitive world means this world is competitive and a broad knowledge is needed. That means a lot of knowledge. You need knowledge to succeed in any field. This line can be used in the topic related to education. The next line you can use in your introduction is today we belong to an era of cutthroat competition. Well, what kind of competition? Cutthroat competition. So cutthroat competition is that one which is very high, extremely high competition. And yes, we belong to an era. We belong to an era of competition, means like of cutthroat competition. Okay. So these are the lines that you can use. Well, there are some other lines too that you can use in your topic related to education.